Right. Block this channel if I'm not able to explain you what MCP is, and if you do get it, share this video further. So let's start from the beginning. If your app wants to talk to another service like getting data from Twitter or X API or sending an email through SendGrid, it has to follow that service specific rules on how to communicate. Twitter might expect a JSON request over HTTPS, SendGrid might expect an API key with a post body, and so on. And every service has its own little language or protocol, and that's what makes the internet work. Millions of systems talking to each other, each going through their own defined standards like REST, GraphQL, or WebSockets. Now, in the context of AI, large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Klein, they are insanely smart, but also pretty limited. They can write essays, code, emails, but they can't do anything meaningful on your behalf. So if you tell ChatGPT send an email, it will say, I can't access your mail provider, because by default, an LLM only predicts text. So the developers started making individual tools to help these LLM models to integrate with external services. Hence now LLM become more smarter, aka AI agents. Agent acts as a middleman between LLM and the outside world. They connect models to APIs, databases, Google search, Slack notifications, and literally anything. And that's how AI finally started doing things. As these agents started connecting to more and more external tools, scalability became a serious challenge. Every tool had its own way of doing things, different APIs, data formats, auth systems, permissions. So if you wanted your agent to talk to 10 tools, you basically have to build 10 separate integrations. And that's exactly the problem MCP solves. MCP, Model Context Protocol, is a universal standard that tells all these AI agents talk to tools in the same language. And here is how it works. There are two sides, MCP client like ChatGPT or Klein, and an MCP server, which is created by the tool provider like Twitter, Gmail, Slack, etc. The server basically tells the client, hey, here is what I can do, here is how to talk to me, and here is what I will return. And the client, your AI agent, now knows how to communicate with the server using these sets of standards. So now instead of each agent learning 10 different APIs, they just learn one universal format, MCP. And that's the magic. One language and less integration. It's like giving every chatbot a translator who can instantly talk to Gmail, Slack, Notions, or your company's private API without writing a new glue code each time. So in short, MCP takes us from AI that talks to AI that can act at scale in a clean, secure, and open way. No more messy custom bridges, just one protocol that every AI agent can use. Follow for more.